This is Sam's
I don't believe you.
homework.
Man, am I starving. Don't worry, little buddy. We'll find something to eat. Look at the size of that carrot. Looks like we hit the jackpot, buddy. Oh, you're right, Squeaks. I can use this no trespassing sign to dig out the carrot.
Hey, what are you doing?
Looks like we got a fan. I can't believe we went through all that and we still didn't get anything to eat. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?